Hey, what's up, YouTube entrepreneurs? Houston here. And today I want to talk to you guys that are considering driving for Doordash or are already currently driving for Doordash. And I want to show you how to make more money as a Doordash delivery driver. And for many of you already aware that right now Doordash is offering you $2,500 guaranteed to come drive for them, right? And so that's an awesome thing. But I'm going to show you something even more awesome than that. So for those of you that have not had a chance to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that big red button, hit that bell, and subscribe. Now, my name is Houston, and we're the home of the three-way funding for the true entrepreneurs. And what we do, we help you find ways to make more money in your business to make your pockets fatter. We also show you how to build business and corporate credit and how to get approved for business and corporate credit without a personal guarantee. Also, we show you how to take advantage of tax shelters so that you're paying less in taxes and keeping more money in your business and also in your pockets. Now, how to make more money as a Doordash delivery driver. One of the things we always tell independent contractors and entrepreneurs, the first thing you want to do, you want to set up a corporation because you want to protect your personal assets and you want to separate your personal assets from your business in case of any type of business liabilities. Now, here's 4 ways that you can make more money with your car driving for Doordash. They got Vigo. Vigo is an advertising platform where it shows different advertisements. So say that when you're not driving for Doordash, you may decide, hey, I'm going to also drive for Lyft or for Uber or one of the other ride-sharing companies, right? So they give you this iPad or pad that has all these different advertisements on it. So when you're picking up passengers in your car, they say, hey, what's the weather like? What's going on in this town? Or what time is it? You pass them this advertising pad, or it may already be on the headrest of your vehicle. And so they're looking at the weather, what's going on in the town, but at the same time, they're showed these different advertisements. And as they're being showed these different advertisements, guess what? You're making money. And all you did was just place the iPad there in front of them so they can see the different advertisements, and you're easily making money. The next one, the way you want to make money, you may want to consider wrapping your car. And there's one company called Rapify. And what it does, it pays you to wrap your car and it pays you by the miles. And some people can make up to $200, now, which is cool. Another one that I like is Carvertise, where you also advertising with your car. Now, again, you're a Doordash driver, and all you're doing is just adding some type of advertisement on your car while you're driving around. You're being paid by the mile. And so with Carvertise, as they pay you as the driver, you're being paid by the miles, and you can earn up to $1,200 extra. So you're delivering packages for Doordash, but at the same time, you're using advertisement on your car and you're getting paid for it as well. Now, another one is really nice is that, again, when you're not driving for Doordash, you may say, hey, I'm going to be driving for Uber later on. I'm going to be driving for Lyft later on. Again, there's a program called Cargo. Now, Cargo is basically a box full of snacks. So when people get inside your car and they say, ooh, I see candy. Ooh, I need Altoids for the club or something like that. Guess what? When they put in their purchase code and everything, you're going to make anywhere from 50 cents to $1.50 off of each of these snacks and everything. So you're making passive income. This is 4 different ways you're making passive income, and all you're doing is just driving for Doordash, which your original intentions, but at the same time, now you have all these other opportunities to add extra money on top of what Doordash is paying you. Now, if you want to learn more about how to keep that money in your pockets and pay less taxes, and to also separate yourself from your business, then check out three-way funding by clicking on the link below. Thank you.